Today we talk about how can you find this list or know how you can do that on your Redfin app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go down here. You click here on my Redfin. Just click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then you click here on Redfin Premier here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You just switch into open video here. So then here you will find Redfin Premium here. It's going to show for you like this. So then here can you looking or find an agent in your area here. Can you looking for it, then you click on search. So that's all you have to do to find this list. And here can you enter your street address. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.